Oh, gather freedom lovers, a tale I have to tell about a man you all should know, the man from Carrabelle. His name was Richard Ervin, a fighting man was he. He served the cause of freedom, justice, and liberty. Come and hear the story, and hear the story well, about the Great Floridian, the man from Carrabelle. Although his name was Richard, his friends all called him Dick. Whenever there was trouble, he'd be there double quick, standing up for freedom, justice, and the American way. Good, honest old Dick Ervin, son of the Sunshine State. The son of a school principal, he was nobody's fool. He treated men as equals and followed the golden rule. When it came to justice and knowing wrong from right, Dick Ervin was front and center and always in the fight. First as a country lawyer back in 1928, then 21 years later as the Attorney General of the Sunshine State. There he served the people for over 15 years, standing up for truth and honesty and freedom over fear. Fighting old Dick Ervin, the common man's friend, clearing out the bureaucrats and making lots of friends. He then took on the communists and the Ku Klux Klan, then drove out all the gamblers and the crooked businessmen. No matter what they tried to pull or how shady their tricks, they never got one over on Attorney General Dick.
He stood up for equality in the public schools,
believing all were equal and following the golden rule. A true and loyal friend he was to both black and white, and always could be counted on for doing what was right. So keep fighting on, Dick Ervin, the schoolboy's friend, setting a good example and leading a national trend. As if this all were not enough, he stayed on and did more, becoming Chief Justice of the Florida Court in 1964. And through the years that were to come, he kept on loyal and true, and on the side of justice he forever did remain, arguing for civil rights and justice for the poor. Now sing praises to Dick Ervin, the honest man's friend. May he always be remembered throughout all the land. He should have been our governor, on that we all agree. But Dick Ervin's loyalty was first of all to his family. His loyal wife Frances and children Richard and Sarah Eve. He lived for 99 long years so that all men would be free. So now you know the story, I hope you've heard it well, of good old Dick Ervin, the man from Carrabelle.